good morning. And this week we're looking at some parables. Yes, I'm on the outside. So if you hear some noises like fowls crowing and dogs barking, it's only because I'm on the outside this morning, because I think a lot of times I'm on the inside doing this and it doesn't work for me all the time. So this week we're looking at some parables. I start with the parable of the Good Samaritan that starts in Luke chapter 10 verse 29. I'm just reading that one piece of verse. The man wanted to justify his actions. So he asked Jesus, "And who is my neighbor?" And this produces one of the most profound parables in the Bible. Jesus says a Jewish man was walking from on his way to Jericho, fell among thieves, and was injured and left on the ground bleeding. What happened is a Levite, a temple worker that is, and a priest passed and saw the man, and because they were, whatever was in their head, whether they were afraid to be mobbed or robbed themselves, they just kept walking. They looked, they saw, they assessed, and then they made an assessment of their own involvement and kept moving. And a Samaritan, who was considered less than a Jew, he saw the man, picked him up, took him to an inn, took care of his wounds, left money behind so that he could be taken care of. And so Jesus asked, who is being neighborly to this guy? And the guy said, the one who showed him mercy. And I tell you what, we have allowed our prejudices, we've allowed our favoritism, we've allowed our biases, we've allowed our political scenarios and our political views to divide us. The truth of the matter is, we're supposed to be united. The Church of Jesus Christ, though we're split up into varying denominations and varying sects and all of that, the reality is we're united, you know. If all of this works out well, we're going to one heaven. So why can't we show compassion and mercy to those who may be going through a season, or who may not be as fortunate in the situation as we are? Why can't we reach out a hand? Why can't we lend assistance? And I tell you what, it's not who is neighborly, but who is my neighbor. If I show you mercy, then you're my neighbor. Not if you show me mercy, you're my neighbor. A lot of times we're about what we receive, but in truth and in fact, Scripture is about how we give, our generosity, our ability to reach out to others and to be an assistance to them. So yes, this week we're going to be neighbors, meaning we're going to show mercy to those who are definitely in need of a hand, and we're just going to go out of our way to help. We're going to push the limits of our own generosity so that we can help. Hey, we're a neighbor today. God bless.